If you're looking for a brand new home with breathtaking views, total privacies, and top tier finishes, this is it. One neighbor, no homes behind or beside you, and the best views in the entire neighborhood. This home sits on one of the most exclusive lots in Spearfish. Backed by a retention pond surrounded by open space, it gives you rare privacy in a neighborhood, plus panoramic views of Spearfish Mountain. Step inside this luxurious kitchen that features quartz countertops, incredible beautiful cabinets, and the views out every window are absolutely stunning. In the kitchen showstopper, a walk-in pantry, fully built out cabinets with outlets and shelf space for everything, your coffee maker, air fryer, microwave, and more. Off the main living area, a 14 by 22 covered back patio gives you year-round outdoor living with unbeatable sunset views over the hills. And don't miss the 4-car garage, fully insulated, finished, and built with a huge floor drain, perfect for South Dakota winters. We have room for 2 more new builds this year, plus several specs on the way. And if you're thinking about building in 2026, now is the time to talk. Give me a call today and let's chat new construction.